The next couple playlists are about how students can use the AI tools in GPT for Sheets to organize and prepare for a debate. Here's a Google Sheet equipped with the GPT for Sheets extension, and here's a Google Doc where I pre-written my formulas and prompts so I can easily copy and paste them into my Google Sheet. My Google Sheet has a little table with 3 columns: topic, support or oppose, and style. Each column has a drop-down menu. The first drop-down has 7 possible topics for a debate. Second drop-down, support or oppose, gives you a choice of doing a supporting argument or an opposing argument, and includes a prompt for how you would organize and start off with a framework for that argument. And the last column gives you a choice of formal or informal style. So the idea here is that AI will help you develop a basic framework for your debate argument, but you will do the actual research yourself to come up with the supporting details to fill out your argument. So first we'll go up to the topic drop-down, and I'll choose a topic, and I'll choose ban cell phones during school hours. And for support or oppose, I'll choose the opposing argument, and I'll choose the formal style, so I'll just leave it as formal. Now let's go to my debate prep formula, and here's the formula we'll use, and it looks kind of complicated, but we'll break it down in later videos. So I'm going to press Command-C on my Mac keyboard. It would be Control-C on a PC keyboard to copy the formula. Go back to my Google Sheet, go to an empty cell, and press Command-V to paste. And the formula starts to load. And I've got some basic bullet points and one supporting detail to get me started with my argument against banning cell phones in schools. I'll just do a couple of other things very quickly here, and I'll skip ahead to organize this content. So now we've got 5 bullet points and 5 supporting details laid out side by side in 5 cells. So now we could start using that basic framework to develop the rest of our debate argument. And in the remaining videos, I'll show you step by step how we create this Google Sheet. If you're not familiar with GPT for Sheets, the extension we're using, I'll put a link in the comments to help you get started with GPT for Sheets in Google Sheets.